Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be teaching you on how to take trades using breakout strategies. I assure you that if you pay attention and watch this video to the end, you are going to learn valuable lessons that you can immediately add to your trading journey and start making profit immediately. In this video I'll be making two illustrations of the two types of breakouts that we have, which are support and resistance breakout and the trend line breakout. If you have any question while watching this video, go to the comment section below and type your question. If you also have a video in your mind that you want me to do next, you should type it in your comment section below also, and I'll be doing that. You are probably wondering how I make profits from this trade. This is not a breakout strategy trade. I use break and retest strategy. If you also want to learn about break and retest strategy, go to the comment section below now and type break and retest strategy. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will not miss out on valuable videos like this. Also, turn on your post notification so that you'll be notified whenever I release new video. If you find this video valuable and educating, like and share this video to your friend. Now let us move into the video proper. The first illustration we'll be talking about is the support and resistance breakouts. Now we look at the left. We first of all identify this resistance point, and this is second resistance point. So it is a valid resistance because price has gone to that level twice and has reversed from that level. Now price is looking to break out from that level. We are seeing possible trade opportunities at that level. At every level of support and resistance, there is always a trade opportunity, so always bear that in mind, and you should always look to take your trades around support and resistance area, because that is where you can take quality trades. You can go back to my previous video where I talked about quality trades of support and resistance. Now in this video, this is a quality support and resistance area. Rather, this is a quality resistance area, because we saw that this resistance area is a recent one and price went far away when it got to that level. Like price immediately drilled down, like it fell down when it got to that level, and it is recent. It has been tested multiple times, so it is a very quality resistance area. Now we can see that price is stored at that area. It is looking to break out from there, and now this is what I'm talking about here. The first thing we saw was this long candlestick breaking out from that resistance point. That long candlestick is the most important candlestick you need while looking for trades in areas like this, because it is called a momentum candlestick. A momentum candlestick is a very long candlestick without or little wicks that breaks out from a support or resistance zone. So in this case, this momentum candlesticks broke out from this resistance zone. That is the first sign that you have. You can take your trades here. You don't take trades when you don't see momentum candlesticks. So you can immediately take your trade here by placing a buy trade. Let me show you how I take a trade. You make sure that you take that trade at the close of the momentum candlestick. That is the first thing. Put your trade there, then your stop loss have to be immediately below your resistance line or immediately below the end of the momentum candlestick. Now this is how you put your take profit. Your take profit should always be the next resistance area. So how do you determine the next resistance area? You go back to the market and see what the market has done in the past, where it reversed from, and where it can possibly stall. Now this is the first point. You can see that this is the first resistance point that we are seeing, followed by this area here. Let me mark it out using a trend line so that when we zoom out we can easily place our trades. So this is the first one here, this is the first resistance here, and the second resistance is the one we have here. So let us zoom in. Let's zoom into our trade. So knowing that, we now see that we can place our trade. Let us play it out and see what the market does. Okay, I think let me drag it like this, and this will be my take profit. Now this is how you take it. This line here, this resistance line here, will be your first take profit. How you do your first take profit is that when your trade gets to that level, you close part of your trade, move your stop loss to your entry point, and you allow the trade to run out to move to this next take profit, which is the second take profit. Let us see what the market has done in this area so that we can now understand what we are talking about. Let us see what the trade did. Okay, moving, boom, first take profit hit, and you immediately put your stop loss there, and second take profit was merged. That was a very easy and simple trade. This is 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade. So if you are trading a prop firm, you risk 1% of your trade and you win 3%. So using this strategy, you are 75% certain of winning every trade using breakout strategy from support and resistance area. So you can see this trade was an easy one. It immediately put to our take profit. It probably took about 10 candlesticks to do that, and we are done. That is how you take your breakout trades using from your support and resistance zone. Let us make another illustration and see whether we understand better what we are talking about. This illustration, the market is on a support zone. Now I'm using the daily time frame. This breakout strategy applies to all time frame. So whatever time frame you are trading on, it is still valid. You being a day trader, a scalper, or a swing trader, you can also use this breakout strategy. It is effective for all type of traders. Now, first of all, we identify that this trend is a downtrend because this market is making lower highs. This is a lower high, this is a lower high, this is a lower high, and this is another lower high. Then the market came here and it reversed. So this is a support zone, a valid support zone, because it reversed drastically and it is recent. The market is approaching that level again, and we are looking to take trades at that level. Now this is what the market did at that level. The market came there and it rejected that level. It rejected the level, as you can see, and it came back again. Okay, it's rejecting the level again. Boom, we have our momentum candlestick. So this is the first momentum candlestick that we have. Sorry, the trade, I didn't post it on time, but as you can see, that is our momentum candlestick there. Immediately we see that momentum candlestick in our trade. At the close, make sure that that momentum candlestick closes, because sometimes it can be a fake out. When you take the trade, when the candlestick has not closed, it can be a fake out and it will reverse back, and all that long candlestick you saw will immediately become just wicks and the trade will reverse on you. So make sure that you always take your trade at the close of your momentum candlestick. Now you place your trade like this. As I said earlier, make sure that it is the close of the momentum candlestick. Place your stop loss at just immediately above the beginning of that candlestick. then your take profit, make sure that your take profit is always at the next support level. So we'll go back to the previous trades behind and see this is our first support level. Our first support level is around this area here. Yes, let us draw it out so that you can easily identify it. This is our first support level over here. Okay, I didn't draw that out. This is our first support level here, because we have multiple rejection here and here and here. Our next one is here. This is our next support level. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 reversals at this level. So let us zoom in and see what the market does at this area. Now you can extend your trade. Let me extend it down. Okay, let me see if I can extend it further. Okay, let me extend it to this level. Good. This is easily 1 to 4 risks to reward ratio trade. It means that if you risk 1% of your trade capital, you will make 4% back. Note that don't trade more than 2% of your capital in a single trade. That is how experienced trader trades. They always use 1% or 2% so that your capital can be protected. You won't lose your capital easily when you trade like that. Now let us see what this market did at this area, and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, you see that the market stood at that first support zone, but it broke it. You can take another trade from there if you have a good capital. Then at this zone, you put your stop loss at your break even. You put it at the beginning of your trade. That's where you move your stop loss to, so that the market won't reverse on you. Okay, let us see what the market is doing. I think at this moment some people will have been panicking and closed their trades, but boom, that is it. So easy. Make sure you wait out on your trades. I know it's not easy to wait, but when your strategy have been tested and trusted, you always wait out on your trade. Now I would like you to go back to your trading view and learn what I've taught you. Practice it on your phone first. Go back, okay, check what I've done, and you will see that okay, you can actually put this strategy in your trading journey and start making profit of it. Your strategy needs to be simple. You don't need lot of indicator using other things. No, there are room for that. I'm going to be teaching you other strategies in my other videos. I'm teaching you Fibonacci, I'm teaching you Bollinger Bands, but in this video we're just talking about breakout strategy. So you can just use only breakout strategy and you'll be making profits, consistent profits. This is a very, very consistent strategy. So if you want to take your forex trading to the next level, always stick to your strategy. Are you getting me? Now let me recap everything I've said so far. We first of all identify that this trade is going on a downtrend. Now we located our support level here, and we saw that the market wants to bring this support level. We don't add any trades there because we are not sure that the market is going to break it. The market can equally reverse from this level and go up, but immediately we saw that we have a momentum candlestick breaking that level. We immediately took our trade, put our stop loss above the candlestick, and our first take profit is at the first nearest support zone, and the next one is the next support zone, just like that. So what do? When your trade runs to your first take profit, you close half of your position, then you move your stop loss to your break even. It is also possible, if you have a good risk to reward at your first take profit, you can close your full trade, or if you want to gain more, you can allow your trades to run to your next take profit. But by that time, you already put your stop loss at your break even. Then you allow your trade to run. Then as you can see in this video, the trade immediately it reversed up, then immediately went back to our second take profit. So this is how you trade your support and resistance breakout. I'll also be making illustration on trend line breakout. I know you really want to watch that, and that will take your trading to the next level. So let us enter to the next illustration of the trend line breakout. In this next illustration, we are going to be using trend line breakout to take our trades. How I like to use my trend line breakout is me using time confluence, that is higher time frame and the lower time frame. You can pair any time frame together. You can use 5 minutes and 1 hour, that's for scalping. You can use 1 hour and daily, that's for day traders. You can use 4 hours and weekly for swing traders. So any time frame confluence you want to use is good. You can mix it anyhow you want. Now I will show you what I mean by time frame confluence. Now I'm going to be using weekly and daily time frame in this illustration. Now on this weekly time frame, I saw that this market was trending down, and when it got to this support level, it began to form what we call double bottom or triple bottom, if you want to call it. These are chart patterns. This is what we call chart patterns. We have any kind of chart patterns. If you want to learn more about chart patterns, because chart pattern is a whole video on its own, I can take that video for you. If you want to learn more about chart pattern, go to the comment section below right now and comment chart pattern. Also, if you have been enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up right now. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Also, let's continue. This is a double bottom here. This is the very first sign of a reversal trade. That is, the trade is beginning to reverse to another trend. Now we saw that it broke this nearest support level, that is, the trade has finally reversed. Let me draw it out for you. This is the resistance level. It broke the resistance level, and you can see it is trying to retest that level. But for us to really see what is happening at that level, we will go back to the daily time frame. Let us see what is happening on the daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame, we saw that the trade is going back to that level, and you can see some reversal signs. Okay, now this is what I like to do. I like to observe and see what the trade is doing, but I see that I have not really drawn my support level well, so I think I'm just going to adjust it a bit, because I can now see a clearer picture on the daily time frame. Okay, that is it. Now let us see what the trade is doing. Now I can see that this trade is forming a downtrend on the daily time frame. It is trending down to the support level. Listen to what I said carefully. This trade is trending down to the support level on the daily time frame. Remember, we saw that support level on the weekly time frame. Now we can see that the market is trending down on the daily time frame. Are you getting it? Let us see what the market does at this level. So that is the first way I trade my support, my breakout strategy. Now this is it. This is the first thing I want to say. I can see that the market immediately broke that line. It immediately broke that trend line at that level with a momentum candlestick. Look at this, the momentum candlestick here, this long green candlestick. First of all, we saw that we have a reversal candlestick here. This is a reversal candlestick. Can you see it? If you want to learn more about candlestick, also go to the comment section and type candlestick. I'll be treating it. Then we are followed by a momentum candlestick to the opposite direction. That is my first confirmation that this is a reversal trade. Then the second confirmation was that it broke my trend line. Now what do? I take my my trade at the close of the momentum candlestick like this, I put my stop loss immediately below that, and I put my take profit on top. Yes, you put it here because the trade is coming back to that level, and this is a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So let us see what the market did, and let us observe. Okay, the market is going back. It came to retest that support line, and immediately it flew to where our take profit zone. Boom. That was a very easy trade using breakout strategy from a trend line. So I used time frame confluence, I used my candlesticks, I used my trend line, and all this put together made me take this quality trade that immediately went to my take profit. I also make another illustration so that you can understand what I'm trying to say better from this second illustration. Also, everything that I've been teaching you here, I will advise you to also go back to your trading view and try to see everything that I've said. Watch this video over and over again so that you can understand better everything I've said and add it to your trading journey and start making profit. Let us move to the next illustration. In this illustration, we saw that the market was on a downtrend and it came back here and it reversed at the support level. So now it broke this support line and the trade is coming back to that support level. So we identified that support level on the weekly time frame. That is where we identify the support level. Let us draw it out and we see. Okay, let me draw it out. This is the okay. Good. That is where we identify our support level on the weekly time frame. Remember, we are using time frame confluence to trade our trend line breakout strategy. But on the daily time frame, we saw that the trade was trending down to that support level. Let me show you the trend line. Let me show you the trend. Can you see? This is the trend line here. From here, this is how you draw a trend line. You make sure that it is touching the peaks. So this is like another kind of trade pattern that we are identifying here. But let us see what the market is doing on the daily time frame, because that is where we are looking to take our trades from. Okay, let us see. Market is approaching the support level, and okay, it reversed, and boom, our first confirmation is a momentum candlestick breaking out from the trend line. So what do you do next? What you do next is you take your trade at the close of that momentum candlestick. You take your trade there. Your stop loss will be below the support line or the momentum candlestick, and your take profit will be at the next resistance level, which is here. And this is a easy 1 to 3 risk to reward trade, an easy one, very easy. This is how you take your trade. Let us see what the market did at that level. So the market immediately starts going to our take profit level. Can you see? And let us see if the market hit our take profit or it reversed from there, and boom, that is a winning trade. You can see the market started reversing when it hit our take profit. This is why it's important for you to put your take profit at the next support or resistance level of where you take your trades from. I think this was the next support level here, somewhere here, but it is obvious that this trade was on a uptrend. That was why our take profit was here, and we always know how we take our first take profit and our second take profit. I already said how you do that, and whenever you see yourself in such situation, make sure that at your take profit you close half of your position, and on your second take profit you close your full position. And that is it. If you have any question on this strategy, type it in the comment section below and I will be attending to it. Also, if you want me to create any video like this in the future, go to the comment section below and type it below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your friend. Also, take a moment to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can watch educative videos like this often, and turn on your post notifications so that whenever I release videos you'll be notified. Also, go back to my previous videos that I've made and watch the lessons, because there are a lot of lessons I've said in that video, so that you will not miss out. So go back and watch them. Now I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Peace.